Your drone is your very own tiny aircraft, an aircraft that can go up into the skies, take great pics and vids. It's as free as a bird. Or is it? Thing is, what goes up must come down, and while it's up, drones can become a nuisance and a hazard. So there's definitely a wrong way and a right way to fly. Here are some pointers to help you fly your drone the right way. First, do a thorough pre-flight equipment check. Is everything set up correctly? And check the weather. You must always be able to see and control your drone. Consider others. Unless you have their okay, stay away from private property, people and crowds. If you're going to a park, check with the council that it's okay to fly a drone. While there are some exceptions, don't fly within 4Ks of any type of airport or helipad. Keep below 120 metres. It's still plenty high enough to have fun. It's safer to fly in open areas. That's to protect privacy and your drone. If emergency services need to do their thing, get out of the way and land immediately, or aircraft won't go in. Basically, fly your drone responsibly while considering other people and their property. That's how you fly the right way.